And if you have the feeling this part of the body or that part of the body becomes cold or starts aching a little bit, but not because you did something wrong, notice it. Because if some parts of the body become warm, others might have to become colder, and maybe after a while this will turn into the opposite. So do not think, if I feel something which is not pure heaven, I'm doing something wrong, or I did the exercise wrong. No, you touch things and the body is reacting. And the body is honest, tells you things, and just wants to be perceived. That's what does it for him good. I'm going to show you for one moment, the figure of the solemnity. And there we want to go a little step further from what we did last time. Last time I made you aware of the legs, which in a way, have this quality of a connection from what's living in our body to the earth. It's in a way a secret of this connection. What are our legs? And here they are not in a mobile way, very mobile position. But then you can see there's this red veils. In a way you can have the impression they are coming from above. They're just given. They're just like a coat coming down. And the blue in between, or the violet, a color which normally expresses more, coming towards the center. Maybe you can also have the feeling it's like growing upwards, growing towards or fulfilling what's coming from above. Just, we do not imitate it, but this feeling of, being open to what's coming and to grow into it from within, we could try to bring alive as the frame or the goal of the last exercises, where we want to address in a way that through that our whole being, through the forces of the heart, through the light, our being sheds into this system of the vegetative force system, it starts to understand its meaning, and it starts to create an atmosphere in which our true being can truly live, our essence. So that we do not have the feeling, I have to imitate this figure and I person have to develop this solemnity, but we want to use this figure to feel into a quality our body provides for us. Great. So please just take your space, arrive at yourself. Just make contact with your center, but then let go without losing it. Do this step with the left leg forward and place the right a little bit next to it. And this joy of going forward and creating this stability, feel it in your feet, in your hips, in your collarbones. And just drink this feeling. And then try from your collarbones to let this wish to fly flow into your lower arms. Let your upper arms say, oh, come on, I support you, I really bring you out. And then the lower arms really can start flying. And then the hands come in like sails steering, where we are flying towards. And then the fingers just feel the trust. They can trust and open up and enjoy. And the fingertips start sensing where we are going to. And then we arrive, and then a door opens. We are welcome. And this feeling of you're welcome, just let it arrive at you and let it stream down. Close your legs a little bit and then just recollect this figure, this red veils coming down, the blue energy unfolding within you in this calm legs, but bright red, carrying you. And then just sense this. What does it mean to this sphere down there? Relax, laugh, breathe, make a step, and we do it afterwards, at the end, one more time. Remember what we did with the O behind the back. And it's really like, you're feeling your backpack, your richness down there. I really feel that's like a tree trunk up into the heaven, which you embrace. You don't have to carry, it's just there, you feel it. And then again, feel this feeling. It's so nice to let go. And then let your arms go back a little bit. And then your upper arms decide to bring a little bit of this energy forward. And they really penetrate the resistance of your body to bring it forward. And then let it flow into the hands, which flatten. And then they give it away. Or they just bring it. In a way, you can't take it. It's there. And then let go. And this feeling, we're just touching a little bit. We do it a few times, but we start a little bit further up here. And then from here, we bring the arms back a little bit. And let this energy, which supports us from behind, become active in our hands. And we let go, we use the upper arms to connect with what's behind. Bring it forward and feel it even in our hands. We let go, feel the space behind. The upper arms bring this wisdom forward. The hands show it. We let go, feel the space behind. The upper arms bring it. We feel the healing quality in the hands. And the last time, backwards, behind. We bring it through the body. And in the hands, it becomes touchable. We breathe, and the hands, they are now flat in a little, and they are left and right down there. And then just turn them slightly. And that they look upwards. And in your body, it's the feeling as if the sun would rise. And the hands, they rise a little bit more, and the hands just look downwards again. Sunset. And the hands just go up, looking towards the space behind. And then they look forward and to the outside. And then they come in. And then we feel the space between them. And let go. So it's simply turning the hands while letting the arms rise, but the body accompanies it and it means something to it. And each stage, different inner pictures arise by themselves. The flat hands turn the arms, look upwards, they look down to the earth, they look upwards to the space behind, they turn and look towards the outside, and they turn to the inside, and let go. We recollect the steps which we did, long, short, short, and with the long we make space for this. We invite the legs to move long, and then we contract short, short, long, short, short, long, long, and we let go. Long, short, short, long, short, short, long, long. We let go. We repeat it. Long, short, short, long, short, short, long, long. And all the time we relax towards down there. We are always creating new spaces, and this contraction only is that we can even more expand. Long, short, short, long, short, short, long, long. Your center. Relax, and we do this sequence with a step forward and the development towards solemnity. Left, right, joy, joy, joy. Into the lower arms. The upper arms take it up. The lower arms become free. The hands start to sail. The fingers to weave. The fingertips to feel. Our being is welcome. Close the legs a little bit. Sense this quality, the color coming down, the color filling it from within, the quiet strength in the legs, reflected in the cheeks, and bring this sensation in connection with listening into the sphere within your body. A big sphere living in us. Constantly producing this space for us. slowly move towards your seat, towards your chair. And just relax, be content, be happy about yourself. Listen to how the body reacts. Leave it free to show you how the body liked it. We do not judge what we did. How do you feel your legs, your lower system, and how much do you feel your upper system, whatever this is, welcome in your lower system? And whatever is going on in your daily life, in your soul life, with the questions, can you detect qualities of rest and contentness and even trust and things like that on the level of the body towards you? How is your breath going now? And when you compare it to how you felt after we did this color exercises within the Venus context, what's the perception of your body now like?